Is it the right time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, December 4, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. On December 4, 2023, our system identified Meta as a sell candidate with a score of -3.35. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During the evaluation, Meta has shown some interesting trends and fluctuations. We'll be closely monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is currently in the midst of a strong rising trend in the short term, indicating potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 11.47% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 5.59% to 21.52%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a predicted 161.33% change over the next year, with a potential return between 154.9% and 202.59%. This means the stock could reach a price range of $815.72 to $968.34 after 12 months. Our latest update for Meta brings an important headline: Meta stock downgraded to sell candidate. On Monday, December 4, 2023, the Meta stock price experienced a decrease of 1.48%, dropping from $324.82 to $320.02. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the previous trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.3%, ranging from a low of $313.66 to a high of $320.86. Over the last 10 days, the stock has fallen in 7 of them, resulting in a total decline of 4.48%. Although the volume of shares increased by 5 million on the last day, this occurred alongside falling prices. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slightly increased risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $5.96 billion worth of Meta shares were bought and sold, with a total of 19 million shares exchanged. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for Meta stock was $342.92, while the lowest reached $112.46. Currently, the price stands at 6.68% or $22.90 below its 52-week high. Additionally, it is 16.73% or $64.31 below its all-time high, which was achieved on September 1, 2021, when the price peaked at $384.33. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, November 20, 2023, B. Riley Securities graded Meta as neutral with a hold action. On the same day, November 20, 2023, Wedbush gave Meta an outperform grade with a hold action. Also on November 20, 2023, Wells Fargo graded Meta as equal weight with a hold action. Moving back to October 26, 2023, Goldman Sachs gave Meta a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, October 26, 2023, KeyBank graded Meta as overweight with a hold action. Analysts have given the stock of Meta a general rating of buy. They consider the PE ratio as a strong indicator to buy and also recommend a strong buy for the price-to-book ratio. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we will discuss the signals identified for Meta stock. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals for Meta. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a negative forecast for the stock. When the stock experiences corrections in an upward trend, it may face resistance at $330.87 and $321.19. However, if the stock manages to break above these levels, it will issue buy signals. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, leading to a 6.29% decline. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume increased as the prices fell, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is advised to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, it generated a sell signal. Pivots, it also generated a sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, on the other hand, it gave a buy signal 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, it indicated a sell signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, it also showed a sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, it gave a buy signal 20 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following. Short moving average, it indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, it generated a buy signal 26 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, it gave a buy signal 220 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. When it comes to the downside, Meta has some support levels to keep an eye on. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $298.67 and $297.74. It's important to note that there is always a risk when a stock is testing a support level. If it breaks this support, the stock may fall to the next support level. In the case of Meta, the next support levels would be at $298.67, $297.74, and $288.35. So keep an eye on these levels as they could potentially impact the stock's movement. Meta usually sees good trading volume and experiences minor daily changes. This means that the risk involved is considered to be low. Looking at the last day, the stock had a $7.20, 2.3%, difference between its high and low. Over the course of the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 2.44%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Meta, let's take a moment to understand some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Meta has a relatively normal PE ratio, which is often observed in businesses with a long track record or predictable revenues. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 07, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $4.75. It's important to pay attention to these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Today, let's analyze potential day trading levels for Meta. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level we need to watch is at $324.16. It is advisable to wait for this level to be breached before considering taking a position if you don't currently own any shares. However, if you are already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $298.67. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, as we anticipate a potential rebound in the stock. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Meta is buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Olive and Javier sold 6,077 shares of Class A common stock. On November 28, 2023, Neustadt Jennifer sold 566 shares of Class A common stock. On November 29, 2023, Mark Zuckerberg sold 7,175 shares of Class B common stock. On November 29, 2023, Mark Zuckerberg sold 290 shares of Class A common stock. On November 29, 2023, Mark Zuckerberg sold 1,157 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -69.116. Overall, insiders have purchased 35,875 shares and sold 200,931 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Wondering if Meta stock is a good investment? Despite the positive trend, our analysis suggests that the Meta stock holds several negative signals, indicating a weak performance in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative outlook on this stock. We've downgraded our previous evaluation from a buy to a sell candidate, considering some minor weaknesses in its technical picture. When analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Tuesday, December 5th, we anticipate Meta to open with a decline of $1.84, starting its trading at $318.18. Before we dive into the content, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. It's also essential to note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock with you. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful time ahead. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.